Well, there she is. 1999 Porsche Boxster. We got the water pump all taken care of, new thermostat installed, cooling system's all refilled, test driven, burped, and then I was asked to check out the charging system on the vehicle because they were having trouble with some of the amperage and electronics, and the battery that was stickered 2 of 23 load tested extremely low, just on the edge of bad. So we put a new battery in it, and I was going to test the alternator, but the alternator was just changed and is a brand new unit, so that's good. Test drove it, everything's cool. And then we cleaned her up, put a heavy coat of wax on it, and cleaned the wheels and tires for the client. Pretty cool little car. It's a 2.5 liter 6-cylinder with a 5-speed manual transmission, and it is a mid-engine car, so all the weight's back here. It's got a trunk and a frunk, and then they squeeze the engine in between. So, anyway, mighty fine little car. Thought I'd share with you guys on this fine Friday afternoon. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys got good plans for the weekend. It's gonna be hot next week, so make sure you plan accordingly. Thank you much, guys, for all the work, all the support, all the comments, likes, shares, all that good stuff. It really means the world to me. We get to share stuff like this with each other. Much love, y'all. Take care. Happy Friday. Woohoo!